Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two finance apps. When choosing a peer-to-peer payment service, understanding the key features and services of platforms like Cash App and Venmo is essential. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both Cash App and Venmo offer account types tailored to individual users and businesses. Cash App primarily offers personal accounts for sending and receiving money, with an option to set up business accounts for accepting payments. Venmo also provides personal accounts for peer-to-peer payments and business profiles for small businesses and sellers to accept payments from customers. Sending and receiving money. Both platforms make it easy to send and receive money, but with some differences. Cash App allows users to send and receive money instantly using a linked bank account, debit card, or Cash App balance. Venmo facilitates instant transfers between users, with the option to link a bank account, debit card, or Venmo balance. Payment methods. Both platforms support multiple payment methods, offering flexibility to users. Cash App supports payments through linked bank accounts, cards, and the Cash App balance. Venmo allows payments via linked bank accounts, debit cards, credit cards, and the Venmo balance. Card usage. Examining card features and spending capabilities helps in understanding day-to-day usability. Cash App offers the Cash Card, a customizable Visa debit card that allows users to spend their Cash App balance anywhere Visa is accepted. Venmo provides the Venmo Card, a MasterCard debit card that lets users spend their Venmo balance anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Security and fraud protection. Robust security measures are vital for safeguarding user funds. Cash App employs security measures such as encryption, fraud detection, and two-factor authentication. Venmo utilizes encryption, fraud detection, and two-factor authentication to secure user accounts. Customer support. Effective customer support is essential for resolving issues and answering questions. Cash App offers customer support via in-app chat, email, and phone. Venmo provides customer support through in-app chat, email, and phone. Mobile experience. A user-friendly mobile app is crucial for managing finances on the go. Cash App. The app is highly rated for its clean, intuitive interface, making it easy to send and receive money, invest in stocks and Bitcoin, and manage the Cash Card. Venmo. The Venmo app is praised for its user-friendly design and social features, allowing users to make payments, request money, and engage with their social network seamlessly. Target audience. Understanding the target audience helps in choosing the right platform. Cash App appeals to tech-savvy users looking for a versatile app that combines peer-to-peer payments with investing and cryptocurrency features. Venmo targets younger users and those who enjoy social interactions, offering a platform that integrates payments with social networking. Conclusion. Both Cash App and Venmo offer robust peer-to-peer payment services with unique features. Cash App stands out with its investing capabilities and Cash Card, making it suitable for users seeking a versatile financial app. Venmo shines with its social features and user-friendly interface, appealing to those who enjoy integrating payments with social interactions. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.